Well, hi there. I'm Denise, your intuitive coach. I want to thank you for your interest in attending the Paint Your Career Colourful webinar. It's a brand new session that I've put together to explain the details of my new program. You see, many people have been contacting me because they're unhappy with their current job. Is that your problem too? In the webinar, I'll be sharing my 5-step paint process that can be used to identify and then find your ideal career. Perhaps not the one you have today or something similar, but a whole new job that will make you glad to go to work each day. One that will have you jumping out of bed each morning with feelings of gratitude and excitement. Wouldn't that be fantastic? Now, I know many of us have had it tough during the pandemic. We've been forced to work from home, which often hasn't been as easy as we thought it would be. We've all been working longer hours and missing the personal interaction with our colleagues. I believe we've all had enough of video conferencing, haven't we? But even before COVID, many of us were unhappy with our careers. Did you know that 80% of people over 45 want to change careers, but only 6% do so? You deserve to be one of that 6% and find the job that will finally make you happy and fulfilled. This program will help you find a fulfilling new position by uncovering the natural talents that you could be using to be happier in your career. Talents that were evident when you were younger, but which you've since probably even forgotten you have. And the best part of all is that the Paint Your Career Colourful program will also enhance your own intuition and enable you to build the confidence you need to follow your gut instinct. Imagine how it would feel to listen to your inner voice and be guided by it. You know, the one that's been pointing you in the direction you need to go, but you've been too scared to follow until now. Well, all that's about to change. Another benefit of the paint process, which people absolutely love, is that it's repeatable. This means that once you've learnt it, you can use it over and over again, even on your own if you prefer, to solve any challenges you have today, tomorrow, and for the rest of your life. Paint Your Career Colourful is the best program I know to bring fast and reliable change to your circumstances, bar none. Using it could mean finally understanding why you've never been truly happy in your career, even when others are envious and say how lucky you are. Getting that job you've always dreamt of, but never dared to go after. Finding a new boss and colleagues that uplift and support you rather than always bringing you down. Enjoying a healthier work atmosphere where you can thrive rather than just survive. And boosting your intuition so that you can have more confidence in yourself and your own gut instincts. So if you're ready to make your career exponentially more enjoyable, click the button below this video right now. With Paint Your Career Colourful's personalised one-on-one coaching sessions and the repeatable 5-step process that you'll learn, you'll soon be wondering why you've been putting up for so long with a job that's been making you sick and tired. On behalf of the entire Finding Your Happy team, I want to welcome you to the absolute best program that exists to lead a happier and more fulfilling career. So go ahead, click the button below this video right now and choose a new life in brilliant colour.